Hello everyone. Here we have a simultaneous equation. Um, I would like to use. I can use either elimination or substitution, but let me use elimination. If I want to use elimination, I need to make sure that the coefficient of either y or x are equal in the two equations. So let me multiply equation one by one, so it will remain the same. Equation two by two. You know what I want to achieve? I want to have two y's and two y on the two sides. So that will lead me to this. I will have 3x plus 2y is equal to minus 8. In equation 2, I will have 4x plus 2y is equal to minus 10. Beautiful. So in order to eliminate y, I will subtract the two equations. Solve equation 1 minus equation 2. So by so doing, y 2y will cancel out 2y. So I will have 3x minus 4x is equal to minus 8 minus 10. Don't forget that we have minus already with 10. So it will be minus 10. Okay. 3x minus 4x will give me minus 1x, which is equal to minus 8 minus 10. Minus times minus is plus. So I will have minus 8 plus 10, which is 2. So I divide both sides by minus 1 so that I get my x as minus cancel minus. I get my x as minus 2. Now I'm going to substitute my x into any of the two equations. So let me use the second equation 2. Any place I find x, I will put minus 2 rather. So I have 2 into minus 2 plus y is equal to minus 5. 2 times minus 2, that's minus 4, plus y is equal to minus 5. Take this fellow to this other side. So we have y is equal to minus 5 plus 4. Therefore, y is equal to minus 1. Our x is minus 2 and our y is minus 1. If you like, you can check to see if you are correct. Let us check. In equation 2, we have 2x, that means we have 2 into minus 2 plus y is minus 1. Are we going to get minus 5? 2 times minus 2 is minus 4, plus times minus 1. That will give me minus 5. And that is what we have here.